Oh no!
Runaway croc.
Runaway croc. What a nice guy. What a nice guy. Classy effing fella.
What do I do?
Let me see that curtsy, Donnie. There, that was a classy curtsy too. Classy frickin' fella. Oh yeah. Oh hey, how are you? Getting beached. Getting beached. Oh, now I'm gonna get the holes. Gonna have the holes. Woo! Yeah, we did. Yeah, yeah, you did, guy. Yep, shirt's coming off. Donnie don't kayak with the shirt on. You know what we need to get? We need to get, what are those, gondolays? Is that what those are called? Those boats? Like in, we'll have Donnie drive us around on a romantic. Show off.
Oh, way to do it, guys.
Hey, mine's not that buoyant. It's a little tippy, and plus I got all this weight in the back too. Hey man, you made it all wavy. Oh babe, we gotta keep our eyes out for some mushrooms. Woo! There we go. Now we're cooking. Now we're cooking. Uh-oh. 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 I did. Every time. Every time. A paddleboard? Da, 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 da. Yeah, I definitely need a paddle. That's not fair though. You're a little guy. And you know, you're in this big ass kayak and I'm a big guy. Dark necessities are part of my design. Bam, bam, bam. Bam, bam. You guys gotta turn around and give me a what's up. Yeah, you did, shooter. Oh, dick, I wasn't paying attention and I hit a rock. I'm gonna fall off. Babe, I'm gonna fall off.
This is where it's gonna get fun for you.
Dude, no, I'm gonna fall off for sure. What do you mean, what do I mean? What do you mean? I'm following you, shooter. How you doing, babe? You got this, babe. All the way? Like to the bank? I'll go. Go, go. Go, shooter, go. Are those flamingos? Pike boy would. Pike boy would. All right, this is true test of my skills here, I guess, which I don't really have any skills, so. Dude. Man down. Man down without a oar. Thanks, babe. You're the best. Nope, it got away from you. Man, my seat, look at this. My seat's all jacked up. Definitely didn't latch that in right, like Donnie said. Freaking shooter. Freaking shooter. Busting my balls, shooter. Oh, yeah, this is a good one. I hope they play this one next week. We're going to see them next week, Guy. The Peppers, yeah. Thursday?
Yeah.
Oh, ain't going nowhere. Thank you, babe.
Welcome.
Let's cut that F word out.
We're gonna leave it at the end.
Yeah. Bloopers.
Yep. Real quick, shut it off.
Bloopers. All right, that's enough standing up for a little bit. DNR know about them flamingos? You're not gonna get in trouble, are you? I hope not either. You got a stamp for those? Oh, hey. Man, he is sunbathing, isn't he? Look, he's got his back legs out and everything.
I got a license to fly these birds.
You got a license to fly those birds? You're too much sometimes, Guy. Call me shooter for nothing. Hi, how are you? Whatever weather we're having. Man, this is so much better than Gary. Don't tell him I said that. Well, Rex is the new guy in town, okay? Nobody wants a roundhouse kick to the face while I'm driving this bad boy, Donnie. Or while you're wearing those flamingo shorts.
I didn't even notice.
I've been busting his balls for like, I've been roasting him up here. I'm like, does DNR know that you're wearing those? He's like, they don't call me shooter for nothing. He's got a license. Backwards.
Backwards standing up.
No way. A little dragonfly? Nah, I ain't doing no backwards. It did. Donnie. I did it backwards. Heck, Donnie. Whoa. Should have been standing up. Big ass house. Man, I just don't have the sea legs like you do, Guy. Look, I'm all unbalanced. I'm all unbalanced.
And then just kind of walk it really fast. Gotta go with the flow.
Like a motorcycle? Bend the knees. Like golf? It's all in the hips?
Color and all.
Yeah, it is a pretty badass pad. All right, guy. I'm gonna try it again.
Try it again.
Standing up.
Go to the left.
Okay. Oh, dick. Pretty much just going sideways. I'm not. I'm preventing her. Oh, dick. Still didn't go down. Oh, no. It's over with. I didn't make it. Guy. Go ahead, babe. Go ahead. I want to figure this out. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it, guys. Oh, big rock. Whoa. Let me just sit down for a moment. Oh man. What am I doing?